3 exercises to improve mindfulness. Mindfulness means knowing your own mind, knowing your own thoughts, and being in touch with and in control of your emotions. This in turn makes you less likely to feel stress and anxiety, and better able to focus when you want to get work done. The problem is that many of us lack mindfulness, as we live in a time when we are constantly being distracted by different thoughts and interruptions. We carry devices that are constantly ringing and buzzing, and everywhere we look, there are ads flashing and moving and trying to get our attention. In light of all this, what are some ways you can improve your mindfulness? 1. Meditate. The most obvious way to boost your mindfulness is to practice meditation. Specifically, mindfulness meditation. This is the practice of sitting quietly and reflecting on your own thoughts in a way that keeps you detached from their emotional content. You'll learn to not only focus better when you need to, but also to understand the contents of your own mind, so that you can avoid letting them dictate how you feel at any given time. 2. Count the number of times you sit down and get up. We are so distracted throughout the day that we can struggle to keep any idea or thought in our mind for long. To demonstrate this, try this simple exercise at home. Tomorrow, try to count every single time you either sit down or stand up. This seems easy, but the fact is that you will be likely to consistently forget to do it, as you'll be so distracted by other things. Work on it, though, and you'll eventually learn to introduce new thoughts and to be mindful of what's going on around you. Pro tip: if you struggle with this, try wearing a bracelet on one hand. This will remind you to be mindful each time you see it. 3. Tune into your senses. Every now and then, it can be a powerful exercise to simply become more aware of your senses. There is so much around you that you don't see, so have a look around and see if there is anything interesting you missed. Likewise, listen and see if there are sounds in the faint distance that you would otherwise have missed. Even be aware of your body and where it is in space. How is your weight distributed? Is there any breeze at all?